Welcome back. In this video, we give you a quick overview of how our GitHub repository is organized. The GitHub repository for our course is Spring Boot Masterclass. Homepage of this repository has an overview of the course and also the links to installation guide at the bottom of the page. For each of the hands-on section of the course, we have a separate folder in the repository. You can see the folders for each of the sections in here. Each of these folders contains the step-by-step details of that section, the complete code example at the end of that section, as well as intermediate backups at different stages of this section. For example, let's look at the folder for Spring Boot Web application. It contains the step-by-step details. What are you going to do in each of these steps? It contains the complete code example as it is at the end of the course. You can use these code examples while you are working with the course. For example, if I'm making use of a class called init binder and you don't know which package the init binder is in, you can just search for it in this repository and you should be able to find the package of that and import it in. Also present in each section is an intermediate backup at different stages of the course. You can download the zip files and import them into Eclipse as a Maven project. All that you need to do is click on the zip. You can say download down here. It would download to your downloads folder. Unzip it. Go to your Eclipse and say file, import existing Maven projects. Click next. Choose the folder where you have extracted your zip file to and click finish. That's it. Your project would be set up at that specific step. Understanding our GitHub repository is a key part of making the best use of this course. I recommend you to spend some time with the repository and explore all the different folders which are present in here. I will see you in the next video.